Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add internal CSS to your HTML website. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the text editor, which is Sublime Text, or you can use any other text editor of your choice. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for Sublime Text, open that up, and then we should have the preloaded code in from the previous tutorials. If not, go to File, Open, search for the folder that has a file, index.html, and then come back to this tutorial. And now we can work on the internal CSS. We know the internal CSS is used to define a style for a single HTML page, which we have on screen. An internal CSS is defined in the head section of the HTML page with the style element. So we can go all the way into head, add the style element, style, yes. For the moment, remove type equals text CSS. That is not required. We are working with internal CSS and not external. That is for the near future. So, body, background color, blue, semicolon, go to a new line, H1, curly brace, color, red or white. Command S to save, and now everything within the HTML page, including the heading, should be changed to white. The background color will be blue, so we can go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, My YouTube channel in Documents, go to YouTube Tutorials, HTML Tutorials, index.html, open with Safari. Minimize Finder for the moment, decrease the size of the web browser, likewise with the text edit file. And now we can see that with internal CSS, a lot has changed in terms of the background. If we go back to the index.html file, change blue to powder blue. Command S to save, go back to the web browser, right click, reload the page. We went from dark blue to light blue. We can also comment out things if you no longer require them. And now everything we no longer require is no longer available as we have commented it out. Command S to say, go back to the web browser, right click, reload the page, and we have heading 1 in white with a background of powder blue. So we can quit Safari, quit Sublime Text. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.